Welcome to Srath, a beautiful, charming residence located 2.5 kilometres from Clifden. It is set on the most magnificently landscaped 2.5 acres of grounds. It is immediately adjacent to Glen River. It's surrounded by the National Park, and I just can't wait to show you the inside. Come on. Srath is a charming home. It combines a mixture of Scandinavian and Mediterranean understated chic. It abounds with colour and tasteful items throughout. Let's take a look at the lounge. The family lounge is to the front of the property and enjoys beautiful views because of the large picture-sized windows onto the gardens. Aren't they just stunning? Here we have solid wood flooring, a solid fuel fireplace and built-in shelving. And now let's take a look at the rest of the house. We're here in the kitchen, an absolutely beautiful space with sage green kitchen units, wooden countertop, terracotta styled tiles. I have just fallen in love with this home. It's a combination of the interior, so warm and rich and welcoming, combined with the nature outside. The gardens are just incredible. They are a dream for gardeners, or even non-gardeners like myself. They're still beautiful. There are 4 double bedrooms and a main bathroom, and upstairs then you have a cosy little bolt hole, and we'll show you that now. Isn't this the most charming of spaces? Pure tranquility. Now, let's get out to the gardens. There are over 200 species of plants in these gardens and grounds, and not only that, different species of birds are everywhere. Look at this here, they're geese. They're very cross at the moment and they're giving out to me, but this is my show, guys, so ye be quiet. There's also guinea who lay eggs and they leave them, and we found some over here earlier on. So you've got your own eggs, free-range eggs. How cool is that? In addition to the home, to the gardens, to the beautiful animals, to the separate outside 3,800 square foot unit, we also have a Finnish 6-person sauna, so you can relax at the end of the day. This stunning home is coming to the market at €695,000. If you'd like to see this property, do give me a call, Michelle, on 087 25 00 716.